Okay guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to design the fence surrounded this house. And before the video starts guys, I beg you, support me by sharing this video, by liking this video, and also the most important part is to subscribe to this channel. And in today's video, as I told you before, I'm gonna show you how to use the topography to modify the topography of the building and also the fence, how to design the fence, right? So my first aim that I'm gonna do, I will do here, sorry guys. Okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I will I will hide the level. These lines here, these four lines, the level, right? So I don't want this level to be shown. So I'm gonna just select on one, right? And from here I'm gonna right click and I'll click on hide in view elements, right? And I'm gonna repeat the same process for the remaining one, right? So I will just click on this also and right click, and I'm gonna hide this. So you can do one by one. Like if you just wanna only the first level to be shown, you can skip it. But if you don't everything to be hidden, so you can just click on this and do the same process that I'm doing, right? You can pick according to your preference. All right. So this is how, first of all, you can hide the level. And after this, what I want, okay, let me just hide. I'm gonna hide the element. So what I want here, first of all, I will design my fence. So I need one fence, the fence to surround my house, right? And here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use architecture. I'm gonna go on architecture, and then after architecture, I'm gonna click on railing, and the railing here. I'll click on it, and I'll take the first option. The first option is to sketch the path. So I'm gonna click on it, and I will go on the first level. I will go on the first level. I will go on the first level, and here, sorry guys, just lagging. Okay, I will wait a little bit. Okay, doesn't show. Hold on, I'm gonna do it. Okay, hold on, guys. Just take a look. Okay, I'll come here, right? I will do this for you. Okay, guys. So this is the first floor. This is the first floor plan, right? So I need to design my fence surrounding this first floor, right? So what I'm gonna repeat the same process that I did. I show you. I'm gonna go on architecture, and after architecture, I'm gonna take the railing here. I'll press on it, and I'm gonna pick the sketch path, right? And I'll start designing. So since I have my dimension in my mind, so I will start from here, from this side here, from this line, from this endpoint here, and I'll take 2000. I'll take 2000, and then I'm gonna go a little bit up, right? Observing the same line, but I'm gonna take a little bit, like I'm gonna occupy all of the space that I want, right? So let me just take, let me take 4000, all right? And I'm gonna go a little bit up, and I'm gonna press on it, and I will go until here, okay? And from this point here again, from this point, I'll click on it for this endpoint intersection here, this intersection, and I will go, it should be 90 degree, right? It should be 90 degree. And the final distance here, what I'm gonna take 20, 20 and 100, right? So I'm gonna take it from here, and from this endpoint again, I'm gonna click, and I will take it until this door. I will click here again, and I'll repeat the same process. I'll click this point here, this endpoint, and scroll down a little bit, and click here again twice, and until the garage, okay? So this is how you can modify. So this is how you can design the plan of the fence, right? And you have to click OK. If there's any mistake that you make or any mistake that you are making right now, so the computer gonna ask you to modify your fence, right? So I'm gonna press OK, and after pressing OK, there is not any notification, so it means that my run link has been designed properly. And if I go on this view here, if I go on this view, you can see that I need to modify it. So everything has been designed properly, but I just need to do a little bit hands on it, right? I need to modify the fence. So how to modify it? I'm gonna just click on it. I'll click on it once, make sure it's selected, and I'm gonna go on tab here. I'm gonna go on this tab here, the property, under the property. So you can see modify run links, right? And here I'll take the pipe. I'm gonna click on pipe, and as you can see, it changed already, right? And it's not over yet. It's not over yet because I need to change also the height. So I will go on edit type here. I'm gonna go on type. I'm gonna edit the type, and from here I will click on height, and I will take. I'm gonna keep the height of let's say 40,000. And if there's any other adjustment that you have to follow here, right? Feel free to change everything, right? But for me, I ain't gonna change anything. Everything should stay constant, right? And I don't want to duplicate it. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. So I'm gonna just apply, and after applying, I'm gonna press OK. All right. So this is how you can modify the fence. Yeah, this is how you can modify the fence, right? And from this fence here, right? From this fence, you can also add the flow, because I need to design the flow also, right? So for the flow, I'm gonna go again on the first level, right? To have my plan in my mind, and after that, I'm gonna go on architecture, and I will go again on flow here. I'll click on the flow, and I'll keep the this shape here. I'll click this shape, all right, and I'll click this point, this end point here, and I will zoom. I will go again and see the intersection here. So it should form. So all of the points should be square or rectangular. I'm gonna click on it, and of course, if I press OK, in here, if there's a mistake, they're gonna let me know, right? Yeah, so you can see there's no mistake. Just they say overlaps, but there's no mistake that I did. So if I go on 3D, and you can see the flow has been designed, right? I mean, the flow has been designed, and I'm gonna close it. And if I wanna change the color of the flow, right? We can just select the flow, and from here, if you go on edit type, if you wanna okay, first of all, before you modify the flow, okay, first of all, let me show you something. There's something that you have to change here. There's many things that you have to change. Let me zoom a little bit. All right, you can see that the entrance flow has been merged, like has been like hidden by the flow that we designed so far, right? So how to do it? So I'm gonna click on it. I wanna make it visible, all right? So I'm gonna click on it on the entrance flow, and from this entrance flow, I'm gonna take the offset. The height offset means that the elevation of this flow should be at least one. I'm using meter, right? Let's say 1 millimeter higher than the flow that I designed, right? So I'm gonna just press on apply. I'm gonna press on apply, and hold on, guys, keep waiting, and I'm gonna press. All right, guys. Yeah. So as you can see, the flow it's showing, right? And this one, we have to repeat the same for this one also. This entrance flow here, just press on it. The laptop is lagging, don't know why again. But guys, sorry. It just summer here, it's too hot, like something like 36 degree. So everything is boiling inside. All right, guys. So I'm gonna press OK first. I'm gonna confirm the first finish of the flow that I designed. I'm gonna press OK in here. Let me do this first. So you should repeat the same thing for this flow also. Or I'm gonna just select this flow. I'll select this flow. I will select this flow, right? And I'm gonna repeat the same. I'm gonna check the base offset. It should be at least the height of offset. It should be at least 1 millimeter higher than the current flow. So I'm gonna click again apply. All right. I'm gonna click on apply, and as you can see, all of the flow that have been designed and arranged adjust properly, right? So everything can be visible, and I can distinguish the small flow, the entrance flow, and also the big flow, right? All right. All right. So this is how you can modify. You can modify the flow, and make sure that the height it's convenient to protect your house. So the security should be observed. Like when you're designing something, everything that you're doing should make sense, right? You don't need to design anything for useless purpose. So everything should make sense, right? Like the height, I picked this height at least can protect people, people to enter in my apartment without any invitation, right? Like thieves. And so this place here, this free space here has been left over because of the garage. This is gonna be my garage, so my car can be easily the circulation of my car can be easily observed here, right? So this is how you can modify your flow, and this is how you can make your fence, right? And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to design the topography, like the grass, and how to modify the fence. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and as I said before, support me, guys. I need your support, and if you find this video entertaining and also educative, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like the video, and also the most important part is to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, guys, and be blessed.